We're gonna order a vending machine pizza. All right, what are we ordering? Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
You can get it hot or cold, but let's get it cold and cook it at home. Oh, what the?
It actually comes in a box.
Let's see what it looks like.
Now we're gonna cook it. Kind of looks like a cheese more than pepperoni.
One.
Ooh, it does get the cheese! Sorry, it's slippery.
See how vending machine pizza tastes.
Smaller than the usual pizza.
What do you think about vending pizza? Does it taste just as good as regular pizza? No?
I can taste the vendingness.
You're so ridiculous. You cannot taste the vendingness. So, should people buy vending machine pizza, yes or no?
Mm-hmm.